Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making these delicious muffins for breakfast. Honestly, you're going to want to make these muffins every morning. So let me share this simple and quick recipe with you. I'm going to start with some flour. And to that I'm going to add some baking powder and some salt. And I'm using a spatula to mix the flour and the salt. And I like to sift my flour to avoid any lumps. And also, you know what? I like to have a lighter and fluffier texture. Then now we're going to add the sugar to combine it with the flour. Then I'm going to crack the eggs. And make sure the eggs are at room temperature so you can have a more stable batter. Now I'm going to add the milk and then some melted butter and mix it together until it's well blended. So add the mixture to the flour and then we're going to blend it very well so we can have a smooth batter. So I like the way the batter comes out, very smooth. I'm chopping some dry plums, but you can also add any dry fruits that you prefer. You can add cranberries, dry raisin, which I'm going to add later on, like so right now. And at this point, you can start folding the batter with the dry ingredients. And I'm gonna brush lightly the muffin pans with butter, and so you can have so your muffin will come out clean and golden. All right, time to scoop the batter into the pans. It's so fun. The batter smells so good. I cannot wait to see the result. Then I'm gonna bake this muffin for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. And voila, they are so golden and beautiful. And these are beautiful and fresh muffins you can make in the morning for breakfast. And I hope you try them.